Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, y'all already know what we're getting into today. I bought this amazing wig off of Amazon. So if you haven't heard, I'm here to tell you guys that Amazon has some amazing hair on their website. Like, the hair is great, you guys, literally. I want to say this is my second or third wig purchase, and I've been satisfied with all of them, and the shipping is unbeatable. Like, you'll get it the next day, like, no joke. So here I am just showing you how the wig looks directly out of the packaging. I hadn't done any bleaching or plucking to it yet. This is a 13x6 frontal, and I want to say it was 20 inches. I'm not exactly sure right now, but I will list all of that details, all the information in the description box below. Now, I did have a couple of notes for this wig. We're not going to call them complaints because I'm actually very satisfied with this purchase, y'all. Like, I really do love this hair, but it's just a couple of things that you guys should know before you purchase it. So for one, for starters, as you saw, coming straight out of the package, the hairline is pretty thick. So you'll definitely have to do some bleaching and plucking before you put it on. This is not something you could just slap on and go, okay? You will have to bleach and pluck it. But with that being said, the hair bleached very well. Like, the knots bleached very easily. It wasn't just one time I had to bleach it and it was good. So the hair bleaches very well. This is definitely some human hair. Secondly, I will say that the lace is thicker than I enjoy. I do like a thin lace because it's easier to melt into your scalp. But this wig was $100, so I'm not even going to complain about that. Like, the wig was $100 for 20 inches and a 13x6, so I'm not complaining about that. That's just something that I wanted to let you guys know. You will have to do like a little bit of finessing to, melt this into your scalp, okay? Now, something else I will say about this install that's not the wig's fault. I decided to try a new install method when doing this wig, and it came out okay, but I'm probably going to stick to my normal install method because I felt like, I don't know, I feel like the original way is just, I like it better. So with this one, this is the method when the girls are like using the spray on top of the lace. Like, they're not cutting off the lace or anything yet. They're spraying over top of the lace and then doing the blow drying and letting it melt that way with like the band on top. I prefer just cutting off the lace and, laying the glue underneath the lace and having the spray underneath the lace. I feel like when I put the spray on top of the lace, and maybe it's because of the type of spray I used, I'm not sure. But when I put the spray on top of the lace, I just felt like, I don't know, it just made everything very stiff. And I don't know, I really didn't like that. So I'm probably going to definitely go back to doing my normal install method. But as you can see here, it still came out really, really good. But you can see what I meant when I say that it came out a little stiff. Like, I like my baby hairs and my edges to be fluffy, and it was very much so laid. Like, it was very stiff, it was very laid. But like I said, I do still feel like it came out really well. When I wash and reinstall it, I'm going to do it my normal method, and I know that it's going to look even better than this. But this method wasn't bad. If you do choose to do the spray on the lace method, then, to each his own. Some people I see make it look really, really good. Personally, me, I think the way I do it normally looks better. But yeah, I love this hair. You definitely just got to go in with that hot comb, honey. Get it laying off flat. I feel like that's also a major key when trying to make your wig installs look natural. Make sure you get them flat. Like, you're gonna see me pick up that hot comb plenty of times. Like, make the wig flat, lay it down. So because I didn't want this video to be super, super long, I did kind of speed past some of the detailed steps that I do when I install my wigs. So this is definitely a more intermediate, expert level video. But for my beginners, if you want something more beginner friendly, if you want more detailed videos or step-by-step tutorials, then I can definitely do that for y'all. Just comment that down below. If you want to see specific videos like how I do my wig cap method, how I bleach and pluck, I can make all of those videos for you. So just let me know what you guys want to see in the comments down below. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Now, I didn't have one when I was doing this install, but something I highly recommend is investing into that 1/2 inch flat iron. This is a 1 inch and it kind of got the job done, but I would definitely use a 1/2 inch flat iron because it definitely makes your baby hairs laid. Like, it makes it so much easier to do your baby hairs, you guys. And excuse me, y'all see me doing like a lot of laughing and talking in the video. It's because I was watching Bad Boys LA while I was recording this video. And y'all, I'm always late to shows, so I was starting this from the beginning. And child, it was a fight breaking out every 2 minutes, like every 2 seconds. So excuse me, but it was a lot going on my TV when I was doing this video. So as you see here, I don't do too much as far as defining my curls. So what I'm going to do first is just saturate my hair with some water, get it really wet, and then I'll probably add like a little either oil or cream just to hydrate it, make the curls juicy. And then I will go over top of that with some mousse. And in this video, I use the Lotta Body Mousse. I actually got that off of Amazon as well, so I'll link that in the description box below. But you don't want to put too much product in your curly hair because then it'll start being very sticky, very weighed down, and you don't want that.
Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. Can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe.
So this is why I have a love-hate relationship with curly hair. It's because of the diffusing process. Sometimes it just takes so long, but it's so worth it if you want those nice, defined, juicy curls, okay? You definitely cannot skip this part when you have curly hair. And this is an attachment that I actually got from my local beauty supply store. I want to say it was just about $10, and I just popped it on my regular blow dryer. So here I'm just doing my finishing touches. I'm taking some foundation powder and pressing it into the hairline, you know, hiding that lace, melting it down. But you guys, look at the finished product. Like, this hair came out amazing. Like, I am in love. This hair is so worth it. $100, perfect for summer, lightweight. I love it. Okay, the link to this will be in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.